And raise your right hand to be sworn. Please do swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
State your name, spell your last name for the record.
Barney, Barney.
Thank you, Ms. Barney. The prosecutor is going to read the count you're entering the plea to into the record, and then I'll have more questions for you.
Thank you, Your Honor. The information reads as follows. The defendant did, on or about April 4th, 2021, Parma Township, Jackson County, State of Michigan, did operate a vehicle on a highway that being North Union Street while under the influence of alcoholic liquor, contrary to MCL 257.6251. Normally, this is misdemeanor, 93 days. However, please take notice the defendant was previously convicted of operating while impaired on or about December 20th, 2001 in the 67 4A District Court, and of operating while intoxicated on or about August 10th, 2007 in the Third Circuit Court. Therefore, upon conviction, the defendant will be subject to an enhanced sentence under MCL 257.6259 or MCL 257.6211 and vehicle forfeiture under MCL 257.625N. So felony $500 to $5,000 and either 1 to 5 years or probation with 30 days to 1 year in jail and at least 40 hours to be served consecutively and 60 to 180 days community service, rehabilitative programs, cost of prosecution, reimburse government for emergency response and expenses for prosecuting defendant, mandatory vehicle immobilization, not less than 1 year or more than 3 years.
Thank you. Ms. Barney, how do you wish to plead to count one, operating while intoxicated, third offense?
Guilty.
Has anyone promised you anything beyond the plea and sentence agreement to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Has anyone threatened you or used any force against you to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Is this plea being made by you freely, understandingly, and voluntarily?
Yes.
Is it your choice to plead guilty?
Yes.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for count one is up to 5 years of incarceration.
Yes.
Were you on bond, probation, or parole for anything when this offense occurred?
No.
If your plea is accepted today, you will not have a trial of any kind, and you will be giving up the rights you would have at a trial, including the right to be tried by a jury, to be presumed innocent until proved guilty, to have the prosecutor prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, to have the witnesses against you appear at trial, to question those witnesses against you, to have the court order any witnesses that you have for the defense to appear at trial, to remain silent during your trial, to not have that silence used against you, and to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand you're giving up those rights by entering a plea? Also, if your plea is accepted, any appeal from your conviction and sentence pursuant to this plea is by application for leave to appeal and not by right. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And finally, if the court accepts your plea, you're giving up the right to say the plea was the result of promises or threats that weren't disclosed to me today, and you're giving up the right to say that it wasn't your choice to plead guilty. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Thank you. Factual basis, Mr. Rogers.
Hello. You heard everything the prosecuting attorney said.
Right.
You understand the terms of the offer they made
Yes.
to you? Okay. So on the date in question here, April 4th, 2021, are you here in the county of Jackson
Yes.
in the state of Michigan?
Yes.
Did you operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Prior to the operation of that motor vehicle, did you consume alcoholic beverages?
Yes.
You understand that your blood alcohol content was at a level above that being legal to operate a motor vehicle? Okay. And going back into the past, you have been previously convicted of driving while under the influence of alcohol in December of 2001.
Yes.
And prior to that, August of 2007.
Yes.
That makes this a third offense done. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. I'm satisfied.
Mr. Idema?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court's also satisfied. I accept the plea. I find that it's knowingly, understandingly, and voluntarily given. There's an adequate factual basis to support it. I'll refer this for the preparation of a pre-sentence report and schedule your sentencing for August 4th at 8:30. So someone from probation will be in contact with you to do the interview. Has the court complied with the court particular fees, Mr. Rogers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Same question, Mr. Idema.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Martin.